Go.
It's for Dylan.
And Sal. Our hot Easton friends. Kidding. Okay.
Kidding.
Okay,
Yes,
wait, do it
kidding.
like this. Oh my god, won't leave me alone!
Yeah, thanks for talking. Peace.
I don't like you, by the way. Not
And
you,
I'm-
Sal. Not you, Sal.
I'm Lucas. Hello.
That's not funny. He's not fat.
He's plump.
He's muscly.
He's plump.
He's muscly.
He's plump.
He's muscly.
This is not all plump. I mean muscle.
Exactly.
Hello, everybody. I have a huge gut, and it's all muscle.
He's not fat. Okay.
Well, this isn't all muscle.
This is for Sal. Oh my god, I almost said Sal.
See this shirt? I made it.
You see this shirt?
I made this shirt.
I didn't make it.
She's jealous of this shirt. Oh yeah, baby.
Okay, anyway, Sal, this is Alyssa. This is actually Alyssa. This is the girl you've been talking to. I'm Cassie. And we're lovers. Okay, new tape.